Hello, this is Dale, and this is my nightly video blog for Tuesday, March 15th. Well, we didn't get into DSI Disney today as it didn't give us a go day. We'll zero in on that. I want to keep a call opportunity out there for Disney. If it's up tomorrow, we want to go ahead and get a May 90 call. I'm also looking at getting a call on Microsoft, a May 48th call on Microsoft, and one put, John Deere, DE, a May 82.5 put. We'll take a look at those three. We're still into our Danaher, our Gilead, and our Apple calls, along with the call on SPY, our bull put on the RUT, and our put on Verizon. Let's take a look at these three, and then we'll get into the other ones. And the first one we're going to take a look at is Disney. You can see that Disney was oversold. I'm sorry. Heading on up, the money flow was going up, so we go to the right-hand screen. On the right-hand screen, you can see how Disney has been making a play, kind of leveled off here, then pushed up, pulled down, and had like a trampoline. I was looking for a little bit of an increase today. It stayed above the 13-day exponential moving average line, but it was a down day for Disney. When it's a down day like that, we don't want to get in. This one is, I'm not into the ready, set, go because it did give a ready, set, go already. I'm looking now to at the trampoline and springing off that, but I'd like to see a positive day. So tomorrow I'm looking for Disney to be up around 98.4, somewhere around there, and we're going to go ahead and get into a Disney call. And the one I'm looking at is, let's see, what was it that I was looking at here? Let me bring that back up. That was, yes, the May 90 call, the May 90 call. Now on Microsoft, we're looking at also getting into a call as Microsoft has come off the lower region here of the -1 on the regression channel. Money flow is going back up. It made a nice move today, and it actually broke through a channel here, so I think it makes sense to get into a Microsoft call as that ribbon is going up real strong. Microsoft, we're looking at the May 48. Let's just take a peek at that. The May 48. Remember, we go out to the price, and then if we're getting a call, we take 10% off that, so that's going to be around 48, 49, and either 48 or 49. 49 puts it at a nice number there. Just go with the midpoint and get that accordingly. You can see it's got plenty of open interest and a nice delta there. The other one we're looking at is actually a put, and that is a John Deere put. And once again, we want to, let me just take this off and we'll redo this. We have a ready set. Okay, what I want to do now is for continuation for the go day, I take the close, which was right here at 80.72, and the low of the wick, which was 80.12, split the difference and go right about here, and this is where I create the alert. When it gets down around here, I want to create an alert that would be at or below 80.38. Go ahead and put that in. I'll be alerted when I am. We'll go ahead and get into a John Deere put. Okay, so the three we're looking at is a Disney call, a Microsoft call if they're up tomorrow, and a John Deere put if it is down tomorrow. Then we're going to continue to hold on to Apple. Apple had a real nice gap up day for us today. Broke through, made another measured move here. So that's looking very nice. Danaher, same thing, came up and made a measured move for Danaher. Well, Gilead Science was down. Gilead just continues to kind of consolidate down here, but when it breaks, I think we're going to have a good one on Gilead. Verizon was still on the upswing, but you can see it's it's got a lot of red here. It's definitely an outlier, so at some point in time that baby is going to turn around. I'm going to hold on to that. Now the ones that I'm watching are puts, and I'm looking for a put in Cisco. You can see how it is overbought. Money flow is still going in, and it's all green, so don't want to do anything on Cisco just yet. Johnson & Johnson is also overbought. Money flow is just starting to turn around, but we're all green over here. And Qualcomm is the closest of all, as it is overbought. Money flow is starting to come out, and we actually had a ready day today. So of those three, Qualcomm is probably the closest one to us pulling the trigger. But Cisco, Johnson & Johnson, and Qualcomm are all ones that I am watching at the current time. Take a look at our theta trade. Russell was down quite a bit today, but we're still doing okay. Even though the Russell was down quite a bit, we're just about breaking even. As we take a look at the Analyze tab, we're actually up about 1.5%. And when we're up around this area, anything to the right of the break even, we just let it run. Let it run and let theta work for us. Even though we had quite a down day, we are still in good shape as far as the RUT bull puts. We're just going to hold on to that. Taking a look at our weeklies, there's TLT has bounced off this 161.8, actually made a measured move here and is topped out here at about the 127, and now it's sitting there kind of vibrating, so we'll wait for a clear-cut move on that. The SPY was down just a little bit today, actually came back towards the end. I'm looking for actually a move, an additional move to the upside here. As you can see, it came down, and this was actually a measured move to the upside. So then we had came down to this low, and it never went lower than that. It came up here, but never came back down. This is a small measured move to the upside. So it still, in my mind, is a call opportunity. And that's my blog for tonight. Come on back tomorrow night. Bye-bye now.